Welcome! If you've ever been tagged in an Instagram story and wanted to let others boost that story for even more reach, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow others to boost stories that mention you on Instagram. This feature can help you expand your audience and make the most out of every mention. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to enable this feature. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located at the top right of your profile page. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section gives you access to all your interactions and account activity. Scroll down until you find the Tags option and tap on it. This is where you can manage how you're tagged and mentioned across Instagram. At the top of the Tags page, you'll see three dots. Tap these three dots to open more settings. Then select Manage Setting from the menu that appears. This is where you can control who can interact with your mentions and tags. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Allow people to boost stories they mention you in. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, anyone who tags you in their story will have the option to boost that story, helping your mentions reach a wider audience. And that's it. You've now made it possible for others to boost stories that mention you on Instagram. This is a great way to increase engagement and visibility, especially if you're growing your brand or connecting with a larger community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks.